Here I haven't seen like this much snow before. So this like a lot. Look at my car. Just only 2 hours, it's already covered with snow. Hey guys, it's your guy Atita Fitness. So today, as you can see, I am at work. I'm going to a second location so that I can teach a class. But look at how it is outside. There is a lot of snow. Look, it's coming down like rain. So we are going to see how I survive on the road, because this is my first time driving on the snow on the road, because normally I go to the mountains to snowboard, but today I'm going to drive on the roads. So I will keep distance. My car is all-wheel drive, so it will help me, but I want to show you guys. Let's go together. So guys, as you can see, the snow is coming down. I just came here so that I can show you around how it looks like. It's wet down here, as you can see. Look at this one. So that's water. If you drive on the snow, you have to be careful. You have to have like all-wheel drive car so that your car doesn't slide. Or sometimes you see a lot of people have chains on their wheels, I mean like on their tires, so that they cannot slide. I'm going to work. I just stayed here so I can make some content, guys. I still have some time. You know, we have to make some content outside there. It's coming down so fast. So for those who have never seen snow, this is how it is. It comes down like rain. Look at the trees. Yeah. Here is my car. I'm going to turn around the camera. Look at how the tires are. I want to show you guys. I want you to see the tires. So this is ice. Look at this one. This is the ice coming down. So maybe before the end of the day, before I finish this video, I will show you how it will be looking like. So yeah, someone else, that's where I came from. I feel like I have to keep my car on a slow speed so it doesn't, you know, get too much slippery. But I'm going to try my best and show you throughout the day how everything is going to look like. So for now, this is how it looks like. I'm sure we are going to get some inches of this snow before the end of the day. So guys, keep it up here at Atita Fitness. It's snowing. It's cold, but not too cold for me, because I'm used to the cold weather here. That's why I'm not really wearing like too much layers. I've seen a lot of people, like that guy is actually wearing like a hat so that maybe they can keep the rain out of wetting their hair. So let's go to work, guys. Bye. These are a few things that I was told to be careful about, especially if you're driving. Make sure you keep a good distance from the car which is in front of you, because sometimes if you're going to break down, your car might end up like sliding. So you want to make sure that you have enough distance, and also keep a steady driving speed. You don't have to go too fast, not too slow, but make sure you can feel that your car has traction on the road. Also make sure you are defrosting your windows so that it can melt any snow which is like on the windows. That's why like my windscreen here is kind of like clear, because I'm keeping my air conditioner on, which is warm, to keep like the windows defrosted. So look at this one too. Okay guys, I will give you updates throughout the day. Hey guys, I want to show you how the weather looks like right now. It's crazy. I'm even scared I'm going to fall down. Guys, look at this. I will try. See you, bro. See how the water is.
I love the snow. Isn't it great? I love it.
It's really nice. I like it. Guys, this is the moment I was waiting for to shine. It's really nice. It feels good to be outside on the snow. Look at her. She's so happy. Hey guys, it's the middle of the day, and the snow is still coming down. I hope you guys have been watching the video since it started snowing in the morning. I always wake up around like 4-5 in the morning because I have like morning clients to go to work. So there wasn't a lot of snow around 5 a.m. but right now I want to show you guys how it looks like. So as you guys can see, I'm going to try my best because most of my clients have cancelled today. Some of them live in the mountains, so it's so hard for them to drive to the city center. So I'm here, guys, making content for you. That's why I said, you know, YouTube is really nice. It's something sometimes you don't prepare for. You can just walk outside and start making content. Now that my clients have cancelled, I'm here to make sure that you guys get the best out of the best content. So yeah, look around, guys. A lot of snow. You can even barely see trees. People are not driving, but I'm going to make sure that I drive around, not too much, keeping the speed limit, and see if we can get content on how people are driving on the snow. I'm also going to show you guys who have chains on their tires and all that. So hopefully that's going to happen without me getting stuck. Wish me luck, and let's create content, right? Look at my jacket now. It's insulated, so it doesn't allow like rain or like snow to kind of melt. So my shoes, you see, I have snow shoes now. I'm not wearing my sport normal working out shoes. I'm just wearing the snow shoes because you never know if I'm going to get stuck. I like it, guys. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm back to work. So now let's go back to work. I hope later maybe I can make more content on the snow, but I will let you guys know. But for now, let's go back to work. Guys, after 2 hours of working, now I'm stepping outside. I want you to see how bad it is outside here. I don't know how I am going to drive today, so I want to show you. See guys, it's even my shoes. I ended up changing my shoes because I was wearing workout shoes. Now I have like my snow shoes here. the gym. It's still coming down a lot. A lot of clients have cancelled. They're not coming to the gym because sometimes it gets dangerous when you drive on the snow. But I'm going to film when I go back home later. I hope I will get home safe. You guys keep watching this video. Let me know what you think. See how deep it is here, especially like the snow is everywhere. I've never seen this. Like, this is a lot of snow for me. Since I moved here, I haven't seen like this much snow before. So this, like, just only 2 hours, it's already covered with snow. See guys, and I want to show you how much it's coming down. So let me step here on this side. Guys, this is how much it's coming down. Let's go. Guys, see all my windows. See the front ones, side. I can barely see outside.